Hello everyone. Today I'm going to explain what is alt text and why is it needed. As part of the digitalization of reading materials, several international publishers are requesting authors to provide an alt text for their figures or images. This enables the readers to understand the image even if they are unable to visualize the image. It could be due to the authors reading the book through audio interface, or the readers could have poor or no vision. The alt text is nothing but a very brief description of the content of the figures. Imagine you are explaining the figure or describing the figure to somebody over a phone. How would you explain it? That is basically the alt text. In addition to the figure legend that is provided beneath the respective images inside the chapter, the authors are expected to provide two alt text descriptions for their image. For every image, provide a short description of alt text, that is 150 characters including spaces, and a second longer description of the figure with no character limit. This is a mandatory requirement for publishers to digitalize the content so that even people who do not have access to images or people who cannot see the images can still understand the chapter as a whole. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you.